Hello everybody, my name is Thor and welcome back to Anthropology. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I have a really exciting unboxing for you. If you're in your jewelry era like me, or you're looking for a really nice piece of jewelry, specifically a watch that will not break the bank, that you can get the Rolex look for less, this is the video for you. There will be discount codes below for all of those interested, but without further ado, let's get into it. So I was recently contacted by the brand Pascal. They are a California-based brand that were founded in 2022. Pascal was so kind enough as to inquire as to see if I would like to relay this information to my viewers, all of you. And since I have a wedding coming up, I was like, I want a beautiful watch that I can wear on my wedding day so that we can elevate our looks, because I've been a Apple Watch user for the last while. As you can see, I do not have it on right now, but I wanted something that was a bit more dressy, a bit more formal, I would say, and something that just gave a little bit of a wow factor. So this video is not paid for. These products are gifted, and there will be a discount code below, but they are not paying me for this review. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So the two watches came in this green packaging, very well packaged, gotta say. Inside, it comes with a beautiful Pascal shopping bag. These are the watch boxes. Like, look at this. How cute is that? This would be a perfect gift for somebody. Yeah, very well packaged. I love the color scheme. I love that everything is branded. I am a hoe for branding, I gotta say. So when things are branded all throughout, that just lights me up. I wanted to go for different vibes. This is the Timeless Classic Diamond Watch. It does have all of the packaging on it, and it does come with quite a bit of things. So when you open it, branded box, velvety on the inside, really, really, really nice. Comes with a care booklet, including a little bit about the Pascal family, setting the time, how to do the care instructions, and it comes in multiple languages, how to set everything up. In addition to a polishing cloth, this is really important, especially to keep your pieces nice. It comes with also, I believe this is to remove some links. Obviously, you'll want to make sure that everything is good to your wrist. You don't have to be too big or too small, so this you can use to remove some links. In addition to a authenticity card and warranty guarantee. So they dated this one. Essentially, it does come with a warranty. They really thought about a lot of the details, which I love. So Pascal is known for their lab-created diamonds. I am in my jewelry era, as I mentioned before, and I love diamonds. Ever since I got engaged, I've just been wanting diamonds and jewelry and all of that. However, I never really considered lab diamonds before. So for example, these are mined diamonds. I just liked the idea of like having something pulled from the earth, but then obviously mined diamonds are super bad for the environment. Like any type of process where you're digging into the ground and extracting that has significant impacts on the environment, in addition to all of the resources that are used in mining. So when Pascal contacted me in order to discuss lab-grown diamonds, I was very interested because lab-grown diamonds are, it's in the name, they're made in a lab. There is very little environmental impact from lab-grown diamonds. If anything, they put the CO2 emissions from the product on their website, which is 0%. Obviously, they're made in a lab. There is some like electricity, obviously, that goes into making a diamond, but they have a seed, a carbon seed that they put into their factory. I do not know how to make a diamond, and I do not claim to. But from what I understand, they take a seed, they apply a significant amount of pressure, and then a diamond pops out. And then from that, they carve it, shape it, just like they would a mined diamond, and then it becomes exactly the same as a mined diamond. So the product that you're getting is a real diamond. It's just, it doesn't go through the same extractive process, and the earth didn't create it, but a man did. Or a woman, a human, somebody did. In addition, they use stainless steel primarily as their base, as a lot of other watch companies do. And then they use gold-vermeil, like a chemical bonding. A lot of other jewelry brands do this. When I was at Nordstrom, Monica Vinader, they're another brand that uses this type of, I guess, alchemy to bond the gold to the silver or the brass or the stainless steel, whatever the base metal is. And it's a way that can really keep it longer, because if you do gold plating, sometimes it can rub off because it's essentially just like a coat on top of it. But vermeil is more of a, yeah, it's more of a chemical bonding process. So it lasts significantly longer. If anything, it's like indistinguishable from the real thing. This is the Timeless Classic Diamond watch. It currently retails for $250 US on their website. It has 0.11 carat of diamonds. This dial is called Spiral Cloud. I liked it because it sort of gave mother of pearl in some way, which I really enjoyed, and gold-vermeil steel. So this is a 31mm case. I have a small wrist, so I figured 31mm would look better on me. This is what it looks like on. It is beautiful, you guys. I really, really like it. Since they're lab-grown diamonds, you can get a better quality diamond for less money. So the color is between D and F, and the clarity is between VVS and VS. So very, very slightly included or very slightly included, which is basically as close to flawless as you can get. If you were to look at mined diamonds at this price, this watch would be significantly more expensive, you guys. They have done this type of watch in a lot of different colors. It has a Jubilee bracelet, which is very reminiscent of Rolex. On the back here, it just has Pascal engraved right there. So it currently has 11 diamonds. So each diamond is 0.01 carat weight for a total of 0.11. So a little bit about this watch here. The Pascal Swirl series watch features a 3-dimensional textured pattern akin to a white spiral cloud, exuding its own captivating charm, enhanced with lab-grown diamonds. Accentuating the golden radiance of the dial, it emanates a stylish and sophisticated aura. So they do this watch in 2 sizes. This one is currently the 31mm, and they do it in a 36 as well. Now, I'm gonna wear this on my wedding day. It looks very, very expensive, and it looks amazing with my ring. It is a Swiss movement Ronda 763. I'm not totally familiar with all the movements, you guys, and I do not claim to be, but that is just what the website says, and I believe them. It is a sapphire crystal top on the watch, and the brace is stainless steel gold-vermeil. You can swim with this if you like really, really want to. I wouldn't, to be honest. I definitely would not swim with this. Take it off. I don't even wash my hands with my jewelry, but you can swim with it if you so desire. I don't know when I got into watches. It's been very, very recent. I used to like not really be that into watches. I think it's because I'm like now more into jewelry. I was very into handbags at one point, and now I'm like super into jewelry. And so I used to do this at Nordstrom, so I got it. So this is like a mini little screwdriver. And then on each link, you'll see there is a little pin. You'll want it to be taken out one from either side so that the band sits at the bottom. Okay, so I've taken out 4 links, as you can see here, with the screws, and now I have 4 on this side and 4 on this side. And it fits me perfectly. Watches, because you can keep the movement forever. Like, I have watches that I've received from my grandfather from literal like decades ago, and they're still beautiful. And I feel like watches are something you can pass down to people, and that's why people pay so much money for watches. But because they use gold-vermeil as opposed to solid gold, because they use lab-grown diamonds as opposed to mined diamonds, the cost is significantly less, but the look basically exactly the same. Now, I wanted to go for something slightly different in the next piece. This is the Oval Bubble Diamond Watch. This one comes in a variety of different settings as well, in terms of colors as well as stones. I just wanted something simple. So this one, it is black leather with a stainless steel case. So this is a 24mm, it's a bit smaller. And I wanted something that could be a bit more understated. Obviously the gold one is very loud. It's more like in your face, whereas this one is a bit more chill. And you know, sometimes it's like you just want a nice classy watch. And I also wanted different colors. So this is what this one looks like on. It is, as I mentioned before, 24mm by 30mm. So it's more of like a diamond oval shape. It's more playful, I would say. But this has a Swiss Ronda 762 movement. It is also white lab-grown diamonds. They are a bit smaller, obviously, because there's only 2. So it's 0.02 carats, but they are still D to F color, and VVS to VS clarity. I really like this one because it is so different, just so you guys have like some insight into why I chose this one. So Robin has opted for white gold and sapphires for his wedding band. I have obviously done yellow gold and diamonds, and I wanted something that could potentially emulate that. So I think this one is a very good one. I love the blue, I love the diamonds. I do need to set it, so I haven't quite set I haven't set either of them yet. But this one is also waterproof and has scratch resistant sapphire crystal for the top there. So a little bit about this watch. It says, embrace timeless sophistication with our Pascal oval diamond bubble watch. The elliptical frame, reminiscent of an expanding bubbles, exudes a classic charm. The exquisite dial is adorned with 2 cultivated diamonds, harmonizing seamlessly with the classic black strap, choosing from a variety of captivating hues to match your style. So this strap is interchangeable. I'm not exactly sure how you do that. And this one, it primarily comes in the one size, but you can pick a variety of colors. This is in the Azure Frost. It also comes in Abysmal Sea, which is blue, and a more like, I guess, yellow tone dial. So, but this one here retails for $195 US. And Pascal has been kind enough to give viewers of this video 15% off their entire order. I get a lot of requests to do these types of videos, reviewing product or receiving product, and I often say no because I don't want to do something that I don't believe in. But when I looked into Pascal a little bit more, I loved that they did a Pride collection. I love that they have a variety of Zodiac related collections, and it did seem very on brand for me. Also, for this one, the minimum wrist size that you can do is 5.5 inches up to 8.2 inches. My wrist is 7.5 inches, just for reference there. So this one I would say is better if you have a bit more small wrist, or if you're looking for something a bit more chill. On the back, it just has Pascal engraved like so. With this one, since it doesn't need to have any links removed, it just comes with a polishing cloth, the booklet, in addition to the authenticity card. Honestly, I feel like smaller brands lately are doing it way better than a lot of the luxury houses. If you haven't seen my most recent video about Dior and their most recent scandal, where essentially they were found to be paying $57 to create a bag that they essentially charge for 48 times the price. I think products like so, where it's like you're not breaking the bank, but I feel like the product itself is beautiful. You get legitimate diamonds, you get gold-vermeil in some cases, you get a beautiful stainless steel watch, and you're not gonna break the bank. And I feel like this is an amazing gift. If you have someone in your life that likes watches, likes jewelry, but you don't have high jewelry money, you don't have Cartier money, you can go to Pascal. You can find beautiful pieces that will not break the bank. They are also having a sale as this video is live. And with the code below, you can get 15% off your entire order. So if there are things that you're looking for, if you do have gifts to buy, if you're looking to treat yourself, use the code below, get 15% off, get a nice watch, get some jewelry. Thank you for watching this video. I'll leave some other links to products down below from Pascal's website that I was also considering if you are looking for a little bit of inspo, but that's my video. Thank you so much again, Pascal, for gifting this product to me, and I really hope to do future collabs with them as well. But that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.